Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install PandaPro v3. 2+, sign in, and import a small CSV immediately. Do this because PandaPro loads optimized caches only after an initial dataset is present, which speeds subsequent operations. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and check memory usage. Make sure background sync is off until you finish initial setup. This gets you from 0 to a working workspace without unnecessary waiting or next, configure core workflows and the detailed middle steps that drive daily use. Build a pipeline, ingest, transform, validate, using PandaPro templates, then map schemas precisely so types align. Apply 1/2 precision only for large numeric columns to save memory, and tune batch sizes to avoid CPU spikes. Also, enable incremental syncs rather than full reloads. This reduces latency and cost. As you implement each change, run a small test load and inspect logs to confirm behavior before scaling up. To finish, perform a full dry run and validate outputs against expected row counts and checksums so you know results are correct. Once validated, enable alerts and set a retry policy. 3 attempts with exponential backoff works well, so transient issues don't block you. If something goes wrong, check the detailed logs, inspect the transformation step, clear local caches, and rerun only the failing component. This avoids unnecessary reprocessing. Remember, small targeted fixes are faster than full rebuilds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.